Welcome to day 3, Formula Drift Texas. We're done as of last night, so today is a fun, relaxing day of trailer repairs, swap meets. We're gonna watch top 32, pro competition, hang out. So to recap last night, we made it to top 8, so qualified 13th on Friday the 13th, lucky number. And first battle was Manners. He led first and over-rotated by the wall, and I got choked up. I spun trying to avoid hitting him and spun into the wall, so the right side of the car is all full of paint and tire goo from the wall. Did a lead run, had a clean lead run, we moved on, went against Adam LZ or LZ depending on where you're watching, and yeah, he beat me straight up. I tried my hardest. His car is super fast. I tried to get right on his door after initiation, and I got close, but I just could not catch him. So I drove basically blind for 3/4 of the track, and still had a nice clean chase run. My lead run was clean, but I didn't quite fill one of the zones as much as he did. So it was close. I honestly thought it would go to it one more time, but they gave it to Adam. So the mustache defeats the beard this time. So we're 1 for 1 now. Maybe next year we'll have some more battles. I don't know. It was a good clean battle. I wasn't disappointed at all. I drove my hardest, he drove his hardest, and sometimes you just can't win them all. So sweet. Now we're on to putting plug. You can hear Mike constructing back there. We're removing the floor out of the trailer to replace it for our trip home. So that's what we're up to next. Sorry. Hey guys, we're here today unboxing this Ryobi 7 1/4 inch circular saw, so let's check out and see what's inside. As you can see, it's poorly packed with almost no cardboard to hold it in place. These you definitely do not need. Looks like it comes pre-assembled right out of the box, which is great. All you have to do is attach your blade. They even give you a fresh blade and your handy dandy blade wrench. So you can crank this bad boy right on there. So in just a few short minutes, we are ready for construction. Well, I don't know what they consider that.
It's a drag race.
Yeah,
well,
drag racing.
It's a there and back.
Kind of like Fast and Furious 2 where they race.
Yes.
You know what I mean. Anyway,
cut to
starting at this can, going to the third garbage can, upside down O'Reilly's can, past the green thing on the wall.
Yep.
And back. Cart versus me. I don't know if you want a full crew or if you want to run it empty.
Are you going to stay in the cart?
I don't know what's going to be better for filming.
I don't know.
I think being in the car would be better for filming.
Are you going to hang on,
Maybe Joe can call
You
the
should
finish.
stay on that side.
Oh, no, you're going to take your bra off and drop it.
At least you got to call the finish.
Yeah.
And then it gives them less weight.
Just so you know, I'm going to turn right when we turn around, so make sure you lean.
Okay. One take. Oh. Okay, are we ready?
One.
No, she's got to say go.
Oh.
Go.
Count it down.
3, 2, 1, go!
God, he's fast.
Yeah.
Turn. Oh man, we got smoked. We got smoked.
Probably move when we're not right in general view of the conference center where the whole FD staff is. How do we go to the parking lot at the end of the window?
Okay.
It's open. I just thought about that. I'm like, oh, no one can see us. And I looked over and like, fuck, that's the whole media center.
Okay, round 2. Racing to Joe, who's way up there.
So this one's just a straight there, because you
Straight,
guys don't
yeah.
have the handling that
Straight
I have.
Too bad
I'll
it could
get
be
you
a-
out of the hole, but then it's going to be close by the end.
Too bad it could be a roll race.
I don't know if we can do that, but who's going to say go?
I can say go.
Maybe Jacob can say go.
So it'll be 1, 2, 3, go.
I got to figure out which leg's better.
Which?
One's got a really bad knee.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. No. That was so close. Woo! Holy shit.
If we had like,
Oh my god.
if we had maybe one more speaker, we probably could have got you.
If I wasn't on here, we would have got you.
Yeah, maybe that's it.
Visit number 2 to the swap meet. Last year we came here and I found some parts for my old truck, so I figure we'll check again and see what kind of treasures we can find at the Southwest swap meet. So lots of good old domestic car parts and all sorts of junk that people think is worth $1 million. So it's fun to walk through and there's always neat stuff to see. So I wanted to take it in before we leave. Pro competition can start soon, so I wanted to sneak in a quick swap meet visit before we go watch the show. So without further ado, look at all the goodies I found.
Well, no tailgate.
We did not get any Ford truck parts, but we met an awesome couple from Colorado that had some crazy stories. She was a homicide investigator for 25 years, worked with all sorts of districts all over the US, and we learned all sorts of crazy stuff. So it was definitely worth the trip to the swap meet.
And she makes some killer art.
And that's how we got started, was the art, like repurposed industrial stuff and like all sorts of cool artwork. And then it turned into talking about what we do, and it was one of those things where unless you go exploring at these events, you never know what kind of people you're gonna meet. So it was worth every second of the trip.
That was so fun. Explain where we are.
Hard 8, favorite place.
What is Hard 8?
It's the best barbecue place I've ever been to. So they have smokers, like that one right there,
Yeah.
grills or whatever. They have all the smoke pits. They have 8 of them, hence the name. And they have them roaring all day. You go, you pick your meats, you tell them what you want, they cut you off a slab, you say, that's good. They weigh it, you go through, and then you indulge in all the meat glory.
Meat glory.
Meat glory.
And you wore white.
Yeah, that was a mistake. I
Sorry.
didn't think this through.
Sorry, Liam.
Yeah. Liam, I'm gonna need a new shirt after this, my friend, I'm sorry.